Okay guys, so we're going for another ride on the Mx100 today. We can ride in the field today. And I guess we can't ride in it tomorrow. It's the first time I'm actually going to ride in this year, besides riding the snowmobile in it. Which, check out those videos if you guys haven't saw that yet. Me riding the snowmobile in the field. But they're putting manure on the field tomorrow. I guess I just called them, make sure I could ride, and so I won't be able to ride anymore, it sounds like. But, so yeah, I got everything on. I got my brand new gloves. I got brand new jersey, brand new pants I got from my parents for Christmas. And I got this thing out. I got the Mx100 out yesterday, rode it around. Fixed the seat cover, sort of. Yeah, it's pretty, it's interesting. I bought a seat cover off eBay for it. It's supposed to fit like a 77 to 80 something DT100 and MX100. So I bought it and it didn't want to stretch on this front part. So I just put this random seat cover we had laying around on it and it works. Then I also had the bolts come out on the sprocket on me. That was fun. So yeah, so now it actually goes good. Yeah, it's running pretty good, it seems. Seems to be running. It's leaking gas a little bit. So gas price is sky high. It's kind of, I don't know, probably, I have the tank filled up, so we'll see how much gas we use. But, yeah, I need to do, I need to do the shocks. See if I need clean oil, or I need to put more oil in the front forks, I guess. Not shocks. Yeah, but we get into that probably later sometime. Fuel on. Probably no choke, I don't think. What the heck? I didn't know it was in gear. Okay. What the heck? Why are you shifting the gear on me? I'm just gonna hold the clutch in. There you go, guys. It's not running right. Something's not right. I don't know what's up. Oh, shoot. Why is it chainsawing? That might be it, guys. Chain might be so loose. Look, I'm gonna turn you guys off and tell you guys what I did, maybe.